Susan Mutami's ex-boyfriend lands top Zanu PF post. The 9th of August 2025, by a correspondent. Deputy Mines Minister Polite Kambamura has been co-opted into Zanu PF's powerful Central Committee, in a move endorsed by the party's Politburo at its 385th Ordinary Session on July 30th, 2025. He joins businessman KUTYA Tagwari, Christine Gwati, Joseph Sarama, and Colin Ndebele as new members awaiting formal adoption by the Central Committee. Kambamura has been no stranger to headlines in recent years, particularly after his highly publicized and messy breakup with Zimbabwean-born Australian activist Susan Mutami. The pair's relationship, once splashed across social media, ended on a sour note when Mutami accused the deputy minister of inviting other girlfriends to stay at a property she was renting for him, and allegedly engaging in relationships with them. The controversy drew widespread public attention, adding a personal twist to Kambamura's otherwise political profile. Kambamura was recommended for co-option by Mashonaland West Province, while Gwati, Sarama, and Ndebele came from Matabeleland North. Harare Province recommended Tagwari, whose political comeback has stirred significant debate within the party. Tagwari's inclusion is seen by some as a strategic move by President Emerson Mnangagwa's allies to strengthen their grip ahead of Zanu PF's next elective Congress. The controversial fuel tycoon, often accused of exerting outsized political influence through his business empire, had previously been sidelined in earlier appointments. Dissenting voices had lobbied against his inclusion, citing both local and international scrutiny over his government-linked business deals. However, the July 30th Politburo decision to co-opt Tagwari, alongside Kambamura and the other nominees, suggests Mnangagwa's faction overcame internal resistance, signaling a possible shift in the party's power dynamics. This was the news headline. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell.